Hello, my dear kids. Welcome back to the Acknowledge series by Amit Publishing House. Children, I am Vandana and we are doing Maths of Class 5. This is a book, children, and the name of our book is Joyfull Mathematics. So, today we are going to start a new chapter. This is chapter number 16 of your book, and the name of the chapter is Patterns. So, we have already studied in previous classes about patterns. Now we shall discuss some more difficult varieties of which follow some definite patterns. So previous class में भी हमने pattern chapter पढ़ रखा है, but here we are going to learn something different and difficult than that. So one term is missing in each pattern. So यहाँ पे हर एक pattern में एक term miss है. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो इस figure में it's I think 3 o'clock. Now here it is 6 o'clock. Now here again you can see it's 9. So what will be the pattern here? You have to find out. This one, this one, this one or this one. So which do you think will be the correct? So this is the correct. It will be 12 o'clock now. Similarly, let's move on to question number 2. Here you can see one slash is there and 2 dots. Again, it's straight and 2 dots. Again, it's slanting, 2 dots. So what will come here? Will it be straight? Will it slant? Will it be like this? Or will it be like this? So here, what do you think? Which one is correct? So yes, this C part is correct. Now similarly, you have to find the answer of the rest questions that are given here. These questions are to be done by yourself. What is number pattern? Numbers form interesting patterns. ये जो numbers हैं वो अलग-अलग interesting patterns बनाते हैं. Let us learn about new number patterns and number bonds. चलिए तो हम कुछ नंबर पैटर्न्स और नंबर बॉन्ड्स के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. फर्स्ट इज स्क्वायर नंबर्स. अ नंबर दैट कैन बी अरेंज्ड इन अ स्क्वायर पैटर्न इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर नंबर. ऐसे नंबर जिसे हम स्क्वायर पैटर्न में लिखते हैं उसे ही हम स्क्वायर नंबर कहते हैं. स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग द नंबर बाय इटसेल्फ. स्क्वायर कैसे निकालते हैं? किसी भी नंबर को खुद से मल्टीप्लाई करके. फॉर एग्जांपल नंबर 1 is written as multiply 1. So number 2 is written as 2 multiply 2, which is 4. Number 3 as 3 multiply 3, which is 9. And number 4 is written as 4 multiply 4, which is 16. So here you can see different patterns are made for all these. So the first square number is shown as square containing 1 dot. So here you can see only 1 is written there. The second square number is shown as the square has 2 dots in each. अब जो third square है, this shows 9. So 3, 3, 3, 3 times 9. Now 4 square shows 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times, which means 16. So patterns with consecutive odd numbers. Relation of consecutive odd numbers to square. अब क्या relation है इन consecutive odd numbers का? Let's see. So 1 is written as 1. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, which is 2 square. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9, which is 3 square. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 16, which is 4 square. So आप देख सकते हो यहाँ जितने भी numbers को हमने add किया, these all are consecutive odd numbers. Odd numbers हैं जो एक के बाद एक आते हैं. So when we add these numbers, we get a certain number और ये जो number है एक particular number का square है. Now when we add further on, we get 25, which is the square of 5, and next we get 36, which is the square of 6. Similarly, 49 square of 7 and 64 square of 8 and 81 square of 9. Now let's learn about magic squares. Magic squares क्या होते हैं? A magic square is a group of number having the same number of rows. ये एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसमें एक तरीके के ही रोज हैं या फिर कॉलम्स हैं. The sum of numbers in each row, column and is diagonal in the same. So ये जो numbers हैं हर एक row में या column में ये diagonal होता है, diagonally ये same होते हैं. For example, find the magic number. Magic number हमें ढूंढना है. So here let's see how can we find out the magic number. Magic number 13, 10, 14 and 11 and 16, then complete the magic squares. So here you can see 15, 8, now 12 and 9 is given. So अब हमने इन magic numbers को find out किया है. कैसे find out किया है? So we can see it's written here. Next is triangular numbers. Some whole numbers can be represented in a triangular pattern. कुछ whole numbers को हम triangular pattern में लिख सकते हैं. Such numbers are called triangular numbers. और ऐसे numbers को हम triangular numbers कहते हैं. Now look at the following numbers. 1, 3, 6, then 10, 15, 21, then 28, 36 and 45. The number square can be represented as a pattern of dot which forms a triangle. ये जो number square है इसे हम pattern of dot के form में लिख सकते हैं जो एक triangle बनाता है. So here you can see 1. Now 3 is making a square. Now you can say 6 is making a square. Triangle. 10 is making a triangle and 15 is making a triangle. So this is triangular numbers. Some other patterns. So दूसरे patterns हैं वो क्या हैं? Observe the pattern and find the missing number. So here you can see there various numbers are given and a particular pattern is written here. So here children we have to observe the pattern that is given here. Now fill in the missing numbers. So यहाँ पे हमें missing number को fill करना है. Here you can see 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 का square is written here which is 18. Similarly 6 plus 4 is 10. अब 10 का square is written here. Similarly 8 plus 7 15. 15 का square is written here. So here also we have to add these two numbers 17 plus 2 which is 19. अब 19 का square we are going to write here. So here we will get 361. So this is our answer. Here you can see it's done. It's written here. Now let's do this exercise 16. Here we have to complete the following patterns. So here you can see 13, then 19, 13, then 19. So children, here we can see there's a difference of 6. We have to add 6 numbers. 6 numbers को add करेंगे we will get 19 here. Now again we are going to add 6. 19 में 6 add करेंगे we will get 25. Again 6 we will get 31. And again 6 we will get 37. And similarly when we add again 6 here. So we will get 43. Now let's move on to this B part. 25, then 30, then 35, then 40. Here you can see 5 differences there. So next number will be 45 and then 50. Similarly children, you have to do the rest. Let's do this H1. 1. Now 3. Now 3 multiply 3 is 9. 9 multiply 3 is 27. Now 27 multiply 3 is 81. Now when we multiply 3 here, we get 243. So this is the pattern that is to be followed here. So similarly children, you have to do the rest questions. Now question number 2 is which of the following number can be arranged in a triangular pattern? Triangular pattern में किस number को हम arrange कर सकते हैं? So here let's see this 21. So yes, it can be divided by 3 and it is the number, this number can be arranged in a triangular pattern. Now again, this is also B question. This can also be arranged in a triangular pattern. Next, C here 10. So we can see we can arrange this or not. So yes, this number can also be arranged into a triangular pattern. Now question number 3 is complete the magic square. Here we have to complete the magic square. So how this answer came? Here you can see that 4 plus 3 is 7, and here one bigger number 8 will come. So here we have written 3. Similarly, here 6 plus 2 is 8. Now what number is remaining? 7 is remaining. So that's why we have written 7 here. Next, so children, like this you have to do the rest question, the next one. Now let's move on to question number 4, complete the pattern. Here you can see various numbers are written. We have to complete this pattern. So children, in this first question what we did, we have multiplied these two numbers. 15 multiply 7, then we got 105. Similarly, we have multiplied these two numbers, 17 multiply 9, so we get 153. Similarly, let's multiply 5 and 17, so we got 85. 5 multiply 15, we got 75. 22 multiply 9, we got 198. So similarly children, you have to find out the pattern that is here and then complete the given space. Now let's move on to question number 5. Observe the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. So here you can see some numbers are given. It's 4 plus 1 is 5 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we have to take out the square of 5, which is 25. Similarly, 3 plus 9. So here children you can see 4 plus 1 is 5 and the square is taken here, which is 25. 3 plus 9 is 12 and the square is 144. 7 plus 1 is 8. So the square of 8 is 64. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. The square of 6 is 36. So like this children, you have to find the answer of this question. So with this we have completed the chapter children. I hope that you have understood it, and you have to complete the exercises that is given to you as homework. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video. Till then, stay related.